So this brand here sent us these really cool towels that I like a lot at my golf bag, and it came with like this nice brush too. It comes with both the wired ones and then the basic ones as well, and it's really cool. It has like a groove cleaner too. It's attached to it to clean off the grooves like so. But also really works out really well. What I like most about these is that they all come with like this carabiner and like this magnetic thing. So like if you want to, you can just stick it onto, you know, like the golf cart or anything along those lines, and then just use it right away instead of having to carry it down your bag or whatnot. But some pretty cool towels. I believe this is like a woman's one, which is kind of colorful and pretty. And this is the one I've been using on my bag. As you can see, I've been using it up. It doesn't come pre-stained like this, but I've been using it quite a bit. I really like the logos as well. USA flag. There's like a skull one here too, and this one here is like a little clover. But really great product. The brand sent it to us, and we love them. Definitely recommend it for my golf bag, and I'm really excited to continue using it.